Hello, my dear children. Welcome back to the class. I'm happy to see you all again through this online class, children. Right, I would like to start my today's class by saying some of the facts about India. Are you all ready to listen to it? Right. Chess was invented in India. Algebra, trigonometry, and calculus are studies which originated in India. India is the largest democracy in the world, the seventh largest country in the world, and India is the second populous country in the world. India has the largest number of post offices in the world. Okay, children. So, in the previous class, we have revised about first order and the second order landforms. In today's class, we are going to revise the third order landforms as well as the oceans in detail. Under first order we have continents and oceans, and under second order we have mountains, plateaus and plains. So today we are going to see what comes under the third order landforms. So before I tell you the other landforms which come under third order, I want to tell you how these landforms are formed and where these landforms are formed. Okay, right. So all the third order landforms are formed on the second order landforms, which means the third order landforms are formed on mountains, plateaus and plains. Now, how are these formed? These are formed by the erosional and depositional activities. Now, what do we mean by erosional and depositional activities? The earth's material get eroded or get removed from the higher lying landforms by the wind or by the water or by the waves. Erosion is the process of removal of Earth's material from the crust. When these materials get removed, they will get transported and then get deposited or get settled in the low-lying areas, and this settlement is what we call it as deposition. So that's how the upcoming three landforms formed on mountains, plateaus and plains. So the three landforms which come under third order are valleys, sand dunes and beaches. Now next we are going to see about the oceans in detail. As we are going to revise the oceans, I will ask you several questions. I want you to answer for all these questions. What are oceans? Oceans are vast expanse of water. Correct. Which is the largest ocean, children? Pacific Ocean. Correct. Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean as it occupies 1/3 of the Earth's surface. Now look at this picture. And now tell me, what are the boundaries of Pacific Ocean? Correct. Pacific Ocean is surrounded by Asia and Australia in the west and North and South America in the east. And it also stretches from Arctic Ocean in the north and Southern Ocean in the south. If you can see this shape of this ocean, it roughly resembles a triangle. We all know that the Pacific Ocean is the largest and the deepest ocean in the world. Which is the second largest ocean, children? Correct. The second largest ocean is the Atlantic Ocean. This Atlantic Ocean covers 1/6 of the Earth's surface. Now look at this picture and tell me the boundaries of Atlantic Ocean. Correct. So Atlantic Ocean is bounded by North America and South America in the west and Europe and Africa in the east. Like Pacific, it stretches from Arctic Ocean in the north to the Southern Ocean in the south. The shape of the Atlantic Ocean resembles the letter S. You can see in the picture here and this Atlantic Ocean is the busiest shipping route between Eastern and Western Hemisphere. Now, which is the third largest ocean, children? Correct. The third largest ocean is Indian Ocean. Why it is called as Indian Ocean? Do you have any idea? Correct. Very good, children. So, this ocean got its name because it is just lying below the country India, which is our India. And that's why it is called as Indian Ocean. Now, what are the boundaries of Indian Ocean? It is bounded by the Africa in the west, Asia in the north, and Australia in the east. What is the shape of this ocean? Can you identify? Yes. So this ocean is in the shape of triangle. Which is the fourth largest ocean? Correct. Southern Ocean. Now, why do we call this a Southern Ocean? Do you know? Simple, children, because all the water of the earth is the same. There are no different waters. Ocean water is the same, but according to its place, they are named differently. So, the water from Pacific, water from Atlantic, and water from Indian Ocean meet together in the southern part. That is why it is simply called as Southern Ocean. So, before, when I was in my 4th, 5th and 6th standard, we used to call it as Antarctic Ocean because this ocean lies above the continent Antarctica, and so we used to call it as Antarctic Ocean. But now it has been changed to Southern Ocean. Southern Ocean surrounds the continent Antarctica. Can you tell me the borders of this Southern Ocean? Yes, it is bordered by the southern parts of the Pacific, Atlantic and Indian Oceans. How do you think the water in the ocean be? Will it be warm or cold? Correct. The water in this ocean is very cold. Now, which is the smallest ocean, children? Correct. Arctic Ocean is the smallest ocean. And you all know that it lies within the Arctic Circle. And this Arctic Ocean remains frozen for most of its year. Now tell me, what are the boundaries of this Arctic Ocean? Look at the picture and then tell me. Correct. The boundaries of this Arctic Ocean are North America, Asia, Europe and Greenland. Children, we all know that the water in the Southern Ocean is very cold and the water in the Arctic Ocean remains frozen most of the time in the year. Do you know why? Can you recollect something what you have learned from your 5th standard? So it is all about heat zones. So do you remember the heat zones of the earth? We have 3 heat zones: the torrid zone, the temperate zone and the frigid zone. So the North Pole and the South Pole comes under frigid zone, which means the Arctic Ocean and the Southern Ocean come under this frigid zone, and that's why oceans of this region are very cold and in frozen state. The North Pole lies at the center of the Arctic Ocean. Today we have learnt about the third order landforms, how they are formed and what are they. And also we have learnt about the oceans. Now children, take your notebook. Now write the answer for these questions. Get ready with the answers. We'll discuss in the Zoom teachings. Okay? Right. Now children, I want you to listen carefully. So in the month of September, during 2nd and 3rd week, you will be having a small test. So prepare well for your test, children. Also take up your test and Kahoot regularly. When you're entering into Zoom, I want you to enter in using your admission number, name, class and section as your name. And not only that, while you're even playing Kahoot, we want you to enter your admission number and name as your nickname. Only then you will be getting marks, children. Right. I hope you will all follow this. So with this, our revisions get over. All the best for your test. Do your test well, children. See you all again in another online class. Until then, take care. Bye bye.